we'll be starting off with Mercury. Mercury is the Roman version of the Greek god Hermes. It's the closest planet to the Sun and the second most dense planet in our solar system. It doesn't have an atmosphere and its mass and volume are 5% of the Earth's. It's the 8th largest of 9 planets and a small rocky planet. Okay, now moving on to Venus. Venus is the Roman name for the Greek goddess Aphrodite. It has an atmosphere which is thicker than the Earth's and has identical size, chemistry, gravity and density as the Earth. It doesn't have an ozone layer and therefore it's really dry. It's also a small rocky planet consisting of a thick layer of clouds made from sulfuric acid, which are yellow. It's the 6th largest planet and the second planet from the Sun. Earth doesn't have a name which comes from Greek or Roman mythology. It's the 3rd planet from the Sun and the 5th largest of 9 planets. It supports a variety of life, making it different from the other planets. It's the densest planet and 71% of it is filled with water. Different gases make its atmosphere, and it's the biggest terrestrial planet. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the 7th largest. Though Mars is much smaller than the Earth, its surface area is about the same as the land surface area of the Earth. The name Mars comes from the Greek god Ares. The thin atmosphere of Mars is made of mostly carbon dioxide. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the 5th closest to our Sun. It also rotates faster than any other planet in the solar system, and Jupiter has a ring just like Saturn and Uranus. The name Jupiter comes from the Greek god Zeus. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Eleanor and I'm reporting the planets after my colleague Naina has just done before. First we'll start with Saturn, the planet just after Naina. Saturn is the 2nd biggest planet, but it's also the lightest planet. If there was a big bathtub big enough to hold Saturn, it would float. The distance from the Sun is approximately 856 million miles. It has more than 30 moons. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the 2nd largest moon in the entire solar system. It's approximately 75,000 miles from Earth. It's named after the Roman god of agriculture. The day Saturday is also named after him. Next we'll move on to Uranus. It's a very strange planet and it's quite small compared to Saturn. As you can see, it's one of the brightest planets when it's viewed from Earth. It's also very big and windy. 50 Earths could fit inside it, but they wouldn't stay in because of the 200 mile per hour surface winds would pull them out. One of its moons is called Umbria, which has a big ring on it called a Cheerio. Next is Neptune. Neptune has a shorter day than Earth. One day measures 16 Earth hours. Scientists believe that Neptune is hot and rocky, about the core of the size of the Earth. Several dark spots have been spotted on Neptune. The largest of it is about the size of the Earth. Now Pluto. It's not really classed as a planet anymore because it's been getting smaller and smaller over the years. Pluto used to be a giant. It doesn't fall in line with the others. It's a bit smaller. It's a bit out of line. And because it's so cold, because it's so far from the Sun, it's really cold as well. It also has 4 moons, and it's heir apparent. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
50.